Good morning, children. Welcome to Interval is knowledge interval. In today's session, high order thinking number skill, we are going to see rounding off of 1,000 and 10,000. So let's start it. To understand the concept of rounding off, we have seen in our previous video also that we must understand the placing of the digits first. So start from your right hand side and move to your left hand side and start understanding the placing first. Start from your right hand side and move to your left hand side. The first one comes ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, which is written as ones, O, T, H, T, H, T, T, H. Clear, children? Let's move on. While rounding off of 1,000, we have a three zeros over here, or we have a 3 digits before the 1,000, or 1,000 itself is a fourth placing from the ones place. So we have on the right hand side, we have a 3 placing over here. So ones, tens and 100, all the placing we will make it 0, and then we will see whether that number is less than 500 or more than 500. And here we have a 10,000 placing is a fifth place from the ones. So we will have 4 placing on the right hand side over here. We will make all these 4 placing ones, tens, 100 and 1,000 0. And this whole number is less than 5,000 or more than 5,000. Clear, children? Okay, so let's start doing the sums over here. The first number we have a 12,476. Since we are doing a rounding off of 1,000, we will see this number is lying between which 2,000? The 12,476 is lying between 12,000 and 13,000 here. The middle number will come over here. It will be 12,500 according to the number line. Clear, children? So that is lying before the middle number 12,476, which will be near to the 12,000 and far from the 13,000. That's the logic going behind it. And here in a 10,000, we will see the first number. This number is lying between which two 10,000s? Clear, children? The number will start over here 10,000 to 20,000, because we are going to see for the 10,000 placing, which is ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So the middle number will become over here will be 15,000. Clear? According to the number line. So this number will be lying after 15,000 near to the 20,000 over here. We'll see this logic one more time. While we are going to do that, 17,546 will be near to the 20,000 and far from the 10,000. Clear, children? How to get the middle number over here? This is the logic behind it, and we are going to do shortcut, of course. So this is just the logic I am explaining you to make your base very firm to understand the concept. Clear? So here the first number of a rounding of 1,000 will go back to the rounding of 1,000. Right hand side we have a 3 digits. So ones, tens and 100 will become 0. Since 476 is less than 500, so we will not make any changes into 2. We will write same as it is 2 and it becomes 12,000. The logic is already explained to you. Here the number is 13,698. We'll make 0 for ones, tens and 100. 698 is more than 500. Make 1 into 3. Add 3 plus 1, 4. And it becomes 14,000. Left hand side number will not get affected at all. Now here one more twist I have asked you here. Since we are doing a nearest of 1,000, but the 3-digit number is given and 1,000 placing is not given over here. Don't get scared. This is little bit a tricky question. First we'll make 3 zeros, ones, tens and 100. Since 852 is more than 500, we will assume the 1,000 place is given as a 0 and we will add one more over here, and 0 plus 1 gives you 1. So it will be 1,000 only. This type of question, if they are giving you one digit less than the number is going to be rounding it up, they will almost give you more than 500 number only. Then only you will be able to add 1 to the 0 and you will be able to open the placing for the 1000. And if it is a less than 1000, we will see one example. Suppose 345 number is given. If you have to do the nearest of 1000 and you need the 1000 place because you are going to work on a nearest to 1000. Since 345 is less than 500, one's place is 0, 10's place is 0, 100 place is 0, and since 345 is less than 500, you are not going to make any changes into that, so that will also be 0. So there is no concept behind it to make it rounding off nearest to 1000. So they will never ask you less than 500 number in this type of twist. They will ask you always more than 500 only, and the answer will be always 1000. Or here in the below, if they are asking you the 4-digit number, the answer will be 10,000 always. I hope that concept is very clear, right? Here we will make it 0 for the 10 0, for the 100 0. 705 is more than 500. Add 1 to 8 and becomes 9. Here the twist came for the 9 number standing on the 1000 place. First we'll make 1 0, 10 0 and 100 0. Since 999 is more than 500, we will add 1 to 9 and 9 plus 1 becomes 10, and you are going to open one more placing for the 10,000 automatically. This concept is already been taught in the previous video. If you have not visited the previous video, please go and look to the video rounding off over 10 and 100. There also that concept is taught very clearly. So please go and visit that video. Here the 3678 number 10, 10, 100 and 676 is more than 500. Add 1 more to 3 and this becomes 4. Clear? Now we'll come to the rounding of a 10,000. I have already explained you this concept. We have to see in which two 10,000 numbers these numbers are lying, whether it is a 5-digit number or a 6-digit number. Okay, if it is a 6-digit number, you have to see in between which legs it is lying. Okay. Here we have a 4-digit before the number of rounding, or we have a 4 zeros. So we will make it 1 0, 10 0, 100 0 and 1000 0. Since 7546 is more than 5000, we will make one add over here and 1 will become 2. So answer is 20,000. Here the 4 digits are 2098, which is less than 5000. So we are not going to make any changes into 1. We will make 10, 10 0, 100 0, 1000 0 and 1 as it is without changing it. Here they have given you the 6-digit number. Here 9352 is more than 5000. So we will add 1 to 8. So 10, 10 0, 100 0, 1000 0, then 9, and left hand side number will not get affected, will become 2 as it is. So the answer will be 22,90,000. Or in an international system, 290,100. Correct? So here it is 1 0, 10 0, 100 0, 1000 0. Since 2346 is less than 500, we will not make any changes. 9 will stand as it is and 3 will not get affected. So this number will become 3,90,000 or 390 hundreds in an international system. Here we have a twist of a 9 again over here. In every example I am going to teach you that. So 1 0, 10 0, 100 0, 1000 0. Since it is more than 5000, we will add 1 into this and that becomes 10, and you are going to open the placing for the leg or a hundreds into international system. Clear? Here is the last one. We will make 1 0, 10 0, 100 0, 1000 0, and 67 is very much less than the 5000. So we will not make any changes into 4, and 3 will also stand as it is. I hope this concept is very clear to you. Have a great day. Bye bye.